out now, like this. I mark this using the pattern at which I have generated out to mark this. Mark it out. Okay, that I mark this one to out. So I've marked that. I come out here again to make sure it's all balanced. So, and then we have this. So I'm marking this in 3 points. So this is not looking up to it, but I'll have to go on the extra sheet and mark this out right now. So what I'll do is I'll use my scissors to cut out. So I cut this out right now. It's okay right here. Rubber, and this is going to go up and down, but something can we something to break it up a bit. So this kind of project, what I want to do is that I want to have something to bust it up. So to do that, I'm just going to come here and pick my pen then add the cut at this. So this is going to be in between. So we mark this. After I mark this now, I then come over to cut it out. Cutting it out on the line at, should be neater whenever you're cutting this out. So I cut this out. I cut this out. And I cut this out. So I have this. So what I'll be doing with this now is that I'll come in here and add in my gum and drop this. So I've brushed this 6 centimeter. Alright, so 6 centimeters. So I'll just make it to be 5.5. This 5.5. So I just mark it here. So I want the rubber size down to be 6 centimeter. So once I mark 5.5, I will brush this one off. The 0.5 is what this will be used to lap on it. So I'll just come here and brush it up. So we're done doing this. The next thing I'll do right now is to then apply gum here, get this, fix on it, apply gum, apply gum to this, apply gum to this too, apply gum to this too, and then look at the portion that this is going to cover and apply gum to this too. This is coming at the center and apply gum to this. So right now it's dry. So the first thing I'll do now is after it's dry, I come in here and lap like this. After lapping like this, I come in here too and lap like this. After this lap this way, I then mark pressure on it to then cut it out. Cutting this out now, I just come here, I trim this one off to the point we have this. So I've trimmed this off right now, and I've trimmed this one too off. Remember, this has not been mounted, pressure has not been mounted on this. I just first trim this off. So after trim this off, I just need to pick an hammer and mount pressure on it like this. So I've been able to mount pressure all around through the edges. One thing you always notice that you cover all through the edges. The edges is very, very important. You mount pressure. So apply gum at the center. Here. I'll come to this. So this same thing we apply the gum. Like this too. So this is just for it to hold down. So just to hold it down, that is it. Center will have this. So at the point I have this now, the next thing I'll just do is that I've gotten this set and I now need a leather to cover this all around. That I'll come here to apply gum all around. Apply gum all around. I'm applying gum all around this, applying it very well. So, and your gum should be evenly applied. Should be evenly applied. Okay, only get that, then apply to this leather in here. You apply to this. Once we get to apply to this, we apply to this round, and at the same time, you apply like this and start getting the edge out. Getting the edge out, getting the shape show up. So this is what you eventually be able to get. This is how you'll be able to get scissors and then trim out close to the edge. I'm going to trim out close to the edge. Trim out close to the edge, trim out close to the edge. So right in here, I've been able to trim this, so we're having this. Balance at the center, and then at the time this is balanced, and then just come out and cut this one out right now. We have this now. So having this, the next, so that means that with the point where we get this, we are done with this upper here, with the sole here, we're done with this. So we've gotten the upper, the insole, and the midsole, everything better together at this point, and we are just meant to band it with the last sole. But before we band it to the last sole, we need to come with a mold to last this on it. This needs to be last on it, this way. So we need to last this on it. That's what we're going to be doing next, getting it to shape the opening. So we come in here, where the leather stops here, we mark it, where it stops in here, we mark it. We can move this way, and then where it stops in here, we mark it. Start by mounting pressure on this. I perforate that. So we have these two now. Do you get that? After I've been able to get that out, I replicate the same thing all around. So I've done this now, getting this all around using the O that was made. After I will not try to see how balanced it is before I now mark the second one. Why? It's very possible I work on this and it's not balanced. So to avoid having two legs having that same error, we do this one. We just do this one, embed it this way. We get it, we embed it this way. And then once we embed it this way, we pick this and we start it in it. So we check how balanced it's coming. If it's very balanced, then we proceed with the second one. If not, we adjust whatever result we have in here. Okay, so we have this. So for me, I think this our project is balanced here. So I balance it up. We use our shoe lace to balance it up. So now we just come in here, use our shoe lace at the base. So let me just come in here to apply for this. Apply this. So I have this. So check now. I've applied gum to all this. Now, so I'm going to wait for this to dry up. Once it dry up, I come over and now form it together. The gum I apply on this, you don't use that to punch a nail on the thing. You use the last. Very, very firm to the last. Once it's firm to the last, and we are going to have this. The way you want it to be balanced on the foot, that is where this must be on the last. So this has been on the last. I'll wait for this, and eventually let's glue this together. That is what I'll be doing next. By the time this one is done, we'll be able to brush this. We'll get this down and apply gum using our chloroprene gum. So this is not exceed that line. So when we want to do a finish up of our work, we'll not be cleaning gum. We'll not be cleaning too much of gum in there. So, and then please, at this point, you can do a very good project. And eventually, when you want to cement everything all together, the outcome will be fine, but it will not be durable. What will not make it durable? What will not make it durable is that once you have a gum that is not balanced, not evenly applied around, that means that one portion will gum and one portion will not gum very well. So once we do that, we then come over to do this base too, which is one that's going to be on the benefit of you having the mat on it. So we apply gum on here too, and then I come here to apply to this too. Gum in your project. Now, once you apply this, to gum it's equally at this front. Once it's equal, now you are so sure of the front and the back, no longer than each other. Then you come to this side, you gather this at the side, gather it at the side. That's this, you gather it at the side, you gather this at the side, and then here, and here. So once you do this, yeah, gradually amount is more pressure all around. Okay, pressure, and the next thing we do is just go and brush the edges around for finishing. Make it later, and this too. So right here we got this out, and this is now neat. The edge is coming out very, very clean. And so we're done with this. The only thing we need to do now to clean it up, dust it, and then if you need to apply some finishing touch to it to make the edges shine more. And what are the finishing touch we need to add to it is just our shoe dye, and just use it all around the edge. So that's what we're doing right now. So come here, after we be able to brush it, I come with the dye and then clean up this edge, make it neat, make it very, very neat. So with that it is neat, and then the edge now goes well over. So now this is it. Is all balanced. So that is the end of our project. We've done it. All we have to understand how we go about things.